I have this older Coleman Extreme cooler. This is a very common model that a lot of people have. So I started noticing that it's starting to drip water out of the drain assembly here. So I'm going to show you today how to go ahead and fix that. We basically need to replace this drain assembly because there's a rubber seal in there that's likely worn out. The good news is you can get replacement drain assemblies and they're pretty cheap. I'll put a link to them in the description of this video. You might also want to replace your drain assembly if you've lost the little drain cap. For me, my drain cap is broken, so it comes off completely here. And chances are, if yours did that, you might have lost or misplaced this, and you'll need to order a new drain assembly for that anyway. So before you order, it's good to know what size of drain assembly you need. You can do that a couple ways. You can check the model of your cooler and compare that to the model listed on the new drain assembly. So the model of your cooler is on the bottom. I think the best thing to do is to go ahead and remove your drain assembly here and measure how long it is before you order the new one. Here's what the drain assembly looks like. It's basically a threaded piece here with a rubber gasket on it. And then the new cap right here, it just really is what threads on to the drain assembly. So in order to remove your old drain assembly, take this cap off so you can see it better. We're just going to have to hold the inside of it, maybe with some pliers, and then just loosen this up. You might be able to loosen this up by hand. You might need another set of pliers to grab this and just loosen it up. Here is what the inside looks like on my old one here. So I'm just going to grab that with some pliers and hold it while I loosen the outside. So I'm holding the inside with some pliers, and now I'm just going to grab this and loosen it. Once it starts to loosen, you can just grab it with your hands here and loosen it up the rest of the way. Now you can just push it out through the inside and remove it here. This is my old one here. You can see it's all dirty and grimy looking right in there. That's probably where it was leaking. As you can see, the drain assembly I removed is the 1-inch version. So this is it compared to my new 1-inch version right here. It's the same one. So I did not need to use the 1.5-inch version. Again, I'll put links to both the 1-inch and 1.5-inch in the description of this video. So go ahead and remove yours and measure it, see which one you need. All right, let's go ahead and install the new one. So we'll take our threaded part here and we're going to put the rubber gasket on it so that the flat edge is against the rim of this drain here. Just like that. Before you insert it from the inside, take a rag and wipe out that area. Make sure there's no dirt or mold or grime in there that would cause another leak. All right, let's get this inserted. And now we're just going to take the threaded part of the cap and thread it on there. You can turn it from the inside or the outside. I'm turning the inside part right now. It's probably good to get it to turn your drain assembly off to the side like this. Get it as tight as you can on by turning the inside by hand. Then I'm just holding the inside with my hand, and I'm just going to grab this plastic cap, and I'm going to turn. I have more leverage with it. I'll use that to turn it as tight as I can get it. If you want, you can hold the inside with some pliers and get it a little bit tighter. Just for some extra peace of mind, I'm going to just see if I can get it any tighter with the pliers. Just a little bit there. All right, we should be good to go. Let's close this cap up, and we should be all good. You can also replace the handles and the hinges on these coolers as well. I'll put links to those parts down in the description. I actually need to replace the handles on mine because of this crack here. So be on the lookout for a video on how to replace your handles also. I hope this video on how to replace your drain assembly has helped you guys out. As always, thanks for watching the Repair Nut channel. Give me a thumbs up and follow for more useful videos. Here's a few more videos I think you guys might like.